Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are going to be doing yet another custom sneakers. This time we're going to be doing the Joker. So as before, I got the sneakers from Dollar General, and I only paid $5 for it, even though it says $10 on there. You're going to need your scissors, your mini iron, and you're going to need the iron-on patch, which I will leave the link down below in my description so that you can order it if you want, whatever. So just like what we did before, I'm cutting off the little edge of it because I want it to seep out from the shoes, if that makes any sense. You're going to see what I mean real soon. Just place it however you want to place it on the sneakers, and with your little mini iron, all you're going to do is just run the iron all over it, let it press down on it for like a few minutes, and you should be good to go. The heat is going to transfer it onto the sneakers, so don't need to worry about it. By the way, you guys are going to see steam coming off the little mini iron. That's because I have it on high and it was way too hot, but that's okay. And be very careful because this will burn the living life out of you. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Ironing it on, make sure that it's going there nice and smooth, no bubbles, no lines, no wrinkles. I'm still trying to figure out how to do it without any wrinkles, because sometimes you see wrinkles on there, but to each has their own. Make sure that you're not leaving it on there for a long period of time because it will start to burn and it won't transfer on there properly. So yeah, do not run the iron across. Press down on it first, and after a few seconds then you can run the iron across all over it, because if you just start rubbing the iron all over it, then it's going to start shifting, it's going to start transferring all over the place, and you don't want none of that. Just press down on it and you should be good to go. And now this is the best part, peeling it off. And this one turned out perfectly on the first try. Look at it, it looks so good. I love it. This has to be my favorite. So next we're gonna do the other pair of shoes, and it says, why so serious? Now we're gonna repeat in the same step as we did before, just iron it on. And you guys gonna see with this one, when I was peeling it off, it wasn't transferring properly, so all I did was just place the iron back on top of it because clearly there wasn't enough heat, and then voila, I peeled it off and it came out perfectly. I hope that you guys can hear me because it's really hot and I have to leave my window open, otherwise I'll burn to death in here. Just like how I'm pressing down the iron on it. Now it's time to peel off, and the little smile was not coming off perfectly, so apply more heat. And voila, came off almost perfect. Need more heat. Perfectly. And this is how the second pair turned out. These are amazing. Absolutely love them, and I'm happy with how it turned out. So this is how the sneakers turned out. I hope that you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.